Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Fatma. I hope so you all are fine. Today we discuss important MCQs related to biology. One paper, JK, PPPS, FPSC, NTS and MTCAT. Ones, these are important repeated MCQs, past papers. Tibia is a bone found in the skull, arm, leg, face. Leg. The correct answer is leg. Which is the largest gland in the human body? The correct answer is liver. The science of growing terrestrial plants in an aerated solution. Hydrodynamics, hydroponics, hydrotonics, none of them. The correct answer is hydroponics. Hydroponics is the heart of gardening without soil. Hydroponic is a Latin word meaning working water. जब हम लोग लिक्विड कल्चर मीडिया में हम लोग ग्रो करते हैं प्लांट्स एंड दीज प्लांट्स नोन एज हाइड्रोपोनिक्स like LB solid media, liquid media without chemicals. An educated guess is called accumulated data, observation, hypothesis, conclusion. The correct answer is hypothesis. Dolly the sheep was highly successful clone from a somatic cells reported back in. The correct answer is 1996. Cloning means identical copies of organisms. The process of Dolly. प्रोसेस कैसे, इसका अमल कैसे हुआ था, डॉली शिप कैसे बनी थी? सेल वॉज टेकन फ्रॉम मैनी सेल्स. इट वॉज कैंड और शिप. न्यूक्लियस वॉज सेपरेटेड. साइड बाय साइड एग कनेक्टेड टू शिप 2. अब शिप 2 कौन सी थी? स्कॉटिश ब्लैक फेस ईव. Day 1 soma mean body. Crop rotation in plants is eradication of disease. क्रॉप रोटेशन हम क्यों करते हैं? बेसिकली क्रॉप रोटेशन हम इसलिए करते हैं कि ताकि जो डिजीज़ हैं, पेस्ट हैं और जो वीड्स हैं जो वेजिटेबल क्रॉप्स में हैं उनको मैनेज कर सकें. रोटेटिंग क्रॉप्स आल्सो प्रोवाइड न्यूट्रिशनल बेनिफिट्स टू प्लांट्स एंड मेंटेन सॉइल हेल्थ. People living in high altitudes have a large number of red blood cells, RBCs. Which character differentiates living things from non-living organisms? They are highly organized and complex, made of one or more cells and contain genetic material. Which vitamin is needed for the formation of a light-sensitive pigment in the retina? Vitamin A. The average internal temperature of human body is 35, 36, 37, 38. The correct answer is 37 degrees centigrade. The study of fossils is called environmental biology, historical biology, paleontology, social biology. The correct answer is paleontology. About of the body weight of mammal is water, 70%. Dolly sheep is also a mammal. 13. The expression on DNA. DNA means deoxyribose nucleic acid. Molecules in chromosomes for knowing the basis of inherited disease are conducted by molecular biologists. On wound, fight foreign particles like bacteria, white blood cells. Synthetic insulin from pork was found by which technique? Biotechnology. The correct answer is biotechnology. Blood carried towards the heart by veins, not arteries. Correct answer is veins. The branch of biology which deals with the study of social behavior and communal life of human being living in any environmental biology is known as social biology, environmental biology, human biology, both B and C. The correct answer is social biology. Dash is essential for the formation of hemoglobin. The correct answer is iron, Fe. Out of 92 naturally occurring chemical elements, how many are considered as bioelements? 16. Dash are needed as a source of energy for the vital activities of the body. Carbohydrates. Oxygen accounts for dash of total human body mass. 65%. The correct answer is 65%. The atoms of different elements combine with each other through ionic or covalent bonding to produce compounds. This stable form is called a molecule. Agroastrology is the study of grass. Which part of nervous system controls involuntary actions? Medulla oblongata. Do you want important MCQs? ग्लैंड्स के बारे में हमसे समटाइम्स हार्मोन्स ग्लैंड्स थॉराइड ग्लैंड्स के बारे में बहुत दफ़ा MCQs आए हैं. द रेट ऑफ हार्ट बीट इज़ एक्सेलरेटेड बाय द हार्मोन एड्रेनलिन. एड्रेनलिन जो है वो एक हार्मोन है जो कि एफ्रीन इज़ आल्सो नोन एज अ स्ट्रेस हार्मोन. जब आप इमोशनल अपसेट होते हैं दिस हार्मोन इज poured into the blood and it accelerates heartbeat. Which of the following is a mixed gland? Pancreas. Silviculture is the branch of botany in which we study about development of forest. Silviculture is the art and science of controlling and establishment growth, composition, health and quality of forest. Means कि वो कल्चर जहाँ पे हम लोग डेवलपमेंट करते हैं फॉरेस्ट की. such as wildlife habitat, timber, water resources, restoration and recreation on a sustainable basis. The total number of pairs of peripheral nerves in a man are 43. Most abundant tissue in the body is connective tissue. The correct answer is connective tissue, not muscular. Total salt content in blood is about, ये देख लें पहले इसको इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन हम देख लेते हैं कि प्लाज्मा विच इज़ 92%. प्लाज्मा जो है 92% है वाटर में, उसको कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करे 50% ऑफ ब्लड प्लाज्मा, ब्लड वॉल्यूम. प्लाज्मा कंटेन्स एल्ब्यूमिन, द चीफ प्रोटीन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट. जो अंडे की जर्दी में होती है ना, बाहर में जो लेयर होती है उसमें भी एल्ब्यूमिन होती है. फाइब्रोनोजेन रिस्पॉन्सिबल इन पार्ट फॉर क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड एंड ग्लोबिन्स including antibodies. Then the correct answer is the salt content in the blood is about 0.85 to 0.9%. Important MCQs. Dear ones, this is the motivational quotation of regarding biology. Biology is the science. Evolution is the concept. That means biology unique. I hope so you can understand this presentation. Any query you may ask in the section box. These are the most important MCQs related to your examination point and also one paper. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.